In this video, I'll show you how to create this detail after this neckband. I have done my neckband folding here. By the way, this is my sweater. You can find the I'll leave the link for this pattern in my description box below. In this video, I'll show you how to make this, how to create this detail here. So I have done my neckband folding here, and after that I knitted 3 rows of stockinette stitch. Just after this neckband I have knitted my 3 rows of stockinette stitch, and sorry, not 3 rows, 3 rounds. I have done 3 rounds of stockinette stitch, and here I have done this much. See, here is the beginning of the round marker, and I have done this much here, and here I'm going to continue from here. So this stitch, this is going to be your next stitch. So from this stitch you're gonna, on the wrong side, inside on the purl side, you're gonna pick up from this stitch, pick up 3 stitches below, 1 2 3 stitches below. You will see a bump, purl bump here. See, this is the purl bump. See, we have 3 rows of this stockinette stitch, 1 2 3, right? With this live stitch we have 3 rows, 3 rounds, 1 2 3, and you will pick up a bump. This stitch, if you go down here, you will see this is the purl bump. See, for this stitch you can see this purl bump. You will pick up this stitch and knit this stitch with this stitch, and for this stitch you wanna come down. See, you will pick up, I'll zoom in. For this stitch you wanna come down and pick up this purl bump. For this stitch you wanna pick up and pick up, sorry, you wanna come down and pick up this purl bump. For this stitch you wanna come down and pick up this purl bump. You wanna look at these rows, so these rounds, not these rounds. You wanna pick up from these rounds, right? 1 2 3 with this live stitch. So for this stitch you wanna pick up this bump. For this stitch you wanna pick up this bump. For this stitch you wanna pick up this bump. For this stitch you wanna pick up this bump, and this stitch, this bump. So this is how it looks like. So you wanna pick up with the help of your right hand needle. So for this stitch we have here this purl bump. I'm gonna pick up this stitch or loop, pick up this loop and place it on your left hand needle like so, and knit these two, this knit stitch and this picked up stitches, knit these two together. See, and continue this process. So again, for this stitch you wanna pick up this loop, 1 2 3, this loop. See, not from this row, you wanna pick up from this row, this round, sorry, and you wanna pick up this bump, next this bump, next this bump, next this bump, next this bump. So pick up and knit these two together. Sorry, pick up and place it on your left hand needle and knit this stitch and this live stitch together. Again, for this stitch you wanna pick up this bump. See, 1 1 2 and 3, this one. for this stitch, pick up this one. Next it's going to be this one. See, now we can see it clear. 1 2 3, this bump. One, two, three, this bump. One, two, three, this bump. One, two, three, this bump. One more time. 1 2 3, this bump. 1 2 3, this bump. And you continue this process until you work all these stitches until here, right? This is your beginning of the round marker. Continue until here, and after that you will start your raglan increases.